Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Deepseek AI for beginners step by step. Deepseek AI is a free AI assistant that can help you answer questions, write content, summarize text, translate languages, and even generate code. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Deepseek AI website. Then sign in with your Google account, email address, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're signed in, click the New Chat button. Now, click the message box at the bottom of the screen. Type your question or prompt. Then press Enter or click the Send button. Deepseek AI will generate a response in a few seconds. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. If you want Deepseek AI to analyze a document, click the Attach button. Select your file, then ask Deepseek AI to summarize, explain, or analyze it. You can also ask Deepseek AI to write emails, create articles, generate code, solve math problems, or translate text into different languages. To start a new conversation, click New Chat. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Deepseek AI for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.